Hello, welcome to the official unboxing of the Notes from Nature March subscription box from Archer and Olive. My name is Heidi and I'm filling in for Bonnie today, who usually does our unboxings. If you don't know, Bonnie is our owner and founder of Archer and Olive, and I'm really excited to show you this box today because it has so much of her heart in it, and I think we were able to create something really beautiful, and I hope you feel the same. So let's dig in. Let's start with the box that we have here. The theme, Notes from Nature, and we have a little story for you. A quiet walk outside, setting the scene. Feel the ground beneath your feet and observe the plant life all around you. Imagine all they have felt, seen, and heard. If only they could tell you their stories. No matter the season, there is life to breathe in and messages along your path. It's up to you to realize and record these notes from nature. So that sets the scene a little bit for our theme. And notice the colors and the design elements. It has kind of an Art Deco style that you'll see throughout the packaging. That is really fun. Let's go. Okay. Okay, this is even just this picture is making me so happy. So my job is to work with Bonnie and our amazing product team to bring the sub boxes to life each quarter. And I haven't seen a lot of these items in person, so I might be just as excited as you are to see all of it. This is an info card that you're going to find in all of our subscription boxes that just shows you the theme again in a different way, as well as the items inside on the other side, but we're not going to spoil that quite yet. Notes from Nature. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. That's Henry Matisse. I wonder if I could incorporate this into a page somehow. But I'm going to keep this close by for my own reference, since it has all the product details on the other side. Okay, let's just pull out all the packaging, and then we can go through it one by one. This is a B6, 160. There we go. Fountain pen ink. I'm excited for that one. And of course, you need a fountain pen for the inks. Our acrylographs, 0.7 millimeter tip, so a super fine tip for our paint pens. Here we go. Decorative tape, extra wide washi tape set of 4. I love that packaging. All these colors are just, I love it. This is a scallop edge ruler, acrylic ruler. There we go. A sticker set, 2 sheets, matte finish. It says label sticker set, so I'll get to show you what that means. Okay, and what do we have in the bottom of the box? I love this color, this style. This box is a keeper. I think I'm gonna have to save this one. This is an A5 Naturalist notebook, 192 pages. And last but not least, oh, I love that box too. I'm just gonna keep all the boxes. This is an A5 soft cover field notebook, 112 page sketchbook. Let's start with this one. Just ogling all the packaging. So this is the Field Notes sketchbook. Oh my goodness. Okay. We've never done a cover for a notebook this way. Look at that. A simple leaf deboss design. And this is vegan leather. Whenever we do a deboss design element like that, that does mean that it is vegan leather. But you will find that vegan leather can have so many different textures and colors. It just gives us a lot of choices to play with that we can offer in our products. Okay, and this has 112 pages, and it is craft paper. Oh, that's so pretty. And something different too is it doesn't have the corner, the rounded cornered edge. And it is blank craft. Ooh, I can just think about the sketching, and we made this one with fewer pages because we really wanted it to be not too bulky, to be able to take it out with you if maybe you are literally getting notes from nature on a walk or outside. And I hope you love that cover. This material too is that style that it's just gonna feel better as it gets more wear, better and better with age. We like that. Okay, so that is the Field Notes sketchbook. Next, let's get into what you probably are waiting for, the fountain pen and fountain pen ink. So this fountain pen uses something called a converter. Ooh, I love that. The green it looks almost neutral because it's that muted deep green. So beautiful. Let's look at the nib. And so this does utilize a converter, which is how you add the ink. So you'll get it empty, and then this piece right here is how you'll be able to fill your pen with ink. And we do have some basic instructions on the info card, and maybe we'll be able to offer a little bit more education with our ambassadors as well. There's the fountain pen, and this is refillable. You can change colors, whatever you can imagine. Let's look at the inks. It says 15 milliliters, 3 bottles. So each bottle is 15 milliliters. To give you an idea, the pen will take about half a milliliter, maybe a little bit more. So you're going to be able to get so many refills with that pen. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want to use these, but I also just want to display them because they're so pretty. And these colors on the top are as close as, we could get, but I hope you'll take them out and test them yourself as well. Beautiful green, blue-green, and blue. Those are really nice. Okay, what next? Let's look at our washi tape. These are extra wide, so they're 45 millimeters wide. They're not messing around. Look at that. There we go. Can't even hold them all with one hand. So you have some different styles. The first one has some labels and different elements that you can tear apart and use individually. And then we have a couple that are more like your collage paper or for junk journaling or that type of a thing, where it has a lot of mixed elements. This one has some book page, some handwriting and sheet music, some different elements. You can make so many borders and just like automatic designs with these. This one is really special with the foil, the dark blue, and then the botanical style florals. So nice. Okay, should we do another book? I personally am very excited about this one. This is a B6 dot grid notebook. This is the Leafy notebook, and notice it says 160 pages, which is different than our normal B6 size. Our normal B6 will have 112 pages, but we wanted to try something different, and we would love to hear, oh my goodness, we would love to hear how you like the extra pages. So this is also vegan leather. Notice a very different texture than the first book. Ooh, those together even. That is, I love it. 160 pages, white dot grid. The inside, oh, that's cool. And then a beautiful spine design as well. Oh, I just love that. That might be my instant favorite. We've never done a cover like this. That's special. Okay, and let us know how you like the 160 pages. I'm excited to try that out myself. Okay, stickers. I did open things ahead of time just to help myself, to make sure I wasn't struggling with a craft knife or anything. Okay, so these are label stickers. Different phrases about nature and telling, every leaf tells a story. Explore the wild within you. I like that. Map your journey into the unknown. Nature's magic is all around. And then you have these great pressed flower stickers as well. Those would be so fun with the washi to just layer. Maybe even add some real pressed flowers along with these. And you get 2 sheets of those. Okay, acrylographs. Our most popular style of acrylographs is the 0.7 millimeter. That is a very fine tip for a paint pen. And these are all new colors. You can see the names on the back. Calla Lily, Antique Ivory, Shady Lane, English Clover, and Deep Ivy. Ooh. Oh. And when you are opening your pens, make sure to grab the labels that we've included that you can put on your pens. Okay, so we have a couple of neutrals along with some beautiful shades of green. These are all new colors. I love it. So beautiful. Okay, we have one more accessory and one more notebook. This one, I remember, is a little snug. It's not going anywhere. Safe in its packaging. Okay. And you can take that insert out. This is an acrylic ruler that measures in centimeters, and the edge goes to 15. And then the scalloped edge is just a little touch so that if you want to add, a little design element to your page, these are spaced or sized to go along with our 5 millimeter dot grid system. So you'll have perfectly spaced scallops. It's pretty. And just a little bit of gold. Gotta have a little bit of that bling. Okay, and the last item is the A5 notebook. This packaging, this color, I love it. I already said I'm keeping this box, so. Oh my, oh! Okay. This is called the Naturalist notebook, and this is so reminiscent of the styles of antique books that you can find. Oh my goodness. The spine has that deboss and foil. That's a little different than we've done before. I love it. This is vegan leather. As I said before, any of these covers that have that pressed in deboss look, that means it's vegan leather. And this book has ivory pages and that beautiful deckled edge. And we only do the deckled edge on the long side in order to preserve the integrity of the spine. It's a really difficult technique for the hardcover books that we make, but we might have to play with it and try something different to get that torn edge all the way around. We'll see. That is the Naturalist book. And it is, again, A5, ivory pages, 192 pages. I love it. Okay, that is everything. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the Notes from Nature subscription box from Archer and Olive. If you are interested in becoming a subscriber, we're opening it up to new customers with this box on Tuesday, March 12th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Central at archerandolive.com. leave a comment below with your favorite item from this box, and we will see you next time.